So I'm out here trying to grill and having some issues. Obviously keeps raining. I'm trying out my Smooth 4. It's Zhiyun. It's made in China, but it was $100. So I guess I'm gonna go ahead and get the garage door open, hole up inside of there, and get these coals dumped out and get the lid on it because it's starting to get shitty out here. Shocker. So the rain finally stopped. How convenient. If you check it, it's nice and sunny here in the back of the whatever. So about frickin' time. Let's check in on the food. So we're gonna check in on the food. Okay. Over in this corner we have the pepper and onion brats, honey barbecue over here. The Angus steaks are coming along, and then we have the whatever the hell those are. Oh, Philly cheesesteak. So come along, we're good. So we're gonna let that stuff cook. I'm about ready for my first flip here. So not only does my car, you know, it makes a good shelf. So now that I got some frickin' good weather finally to work with, so hooray for that. And now I can actually cook some frickin' food, man. Back at ya. Let's check in on the food. I did the first flip, so we're gonna check it and see what's shaking. This is exactly what we're looking for here. Got a good golden brown on the brats. They're sizzling real nice. The steaks I put on the low heat side. Want to try to do them nice and slow so we can retain that medium texture on a nice thick cut of meat. Look at how thick that is. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Thick, thick. Look at it. Look at it. Anyway, I'm going to shut the lid up and then we're going to get back to it. So a little bit about the charcoal I'm using today. I'm using Royal Oak, made in the USA. I'll drop a link in the description of the video here later. It is made of oak wood, as the name says it all. And a little bit about how they make charcoal is they take wood, set it ablaze in a chamber of sorts, in a fire chamber, and then when they're ready to you know, harvest the charcoal, they close off all the air and just kind of let it smolder out until it's completely out. Then they bag it and then they sell it around retailers all across America. So just a little tip for you on how they make charcoal. Smoke's rolling out real good. I got the vent kind of, you know, half open. As I mentioned in my post earlier on Facebook, it's best to have the grill a little bit away from the garage, especially when I was holed up in there. With it being open and raining, I don't want to cause any carbon monoxide to get into my house. We're set up here right by the old Lazy-Eyed Susans, Black-Eyed Susans, whatever they're called. But really nicely coming on here with all the rain and whatnot. So letting it roll out, and we'll be pulling some stuff off here momentarily, checking probably some brats and see what's going on, and try to get them off the grill, get them old wrapped up there on the old shelf / car hood. Get them covered up with foil so they retain the heat. Over there, the sun's peeking out. Actually cooled off about 20 degrees, a little balmy earlier. So obviously we got some, you know, sun poking through the clouds here. That's fantastic. We're gonna go ahead and get this grilling wrapped up. Yeah, it's a little short video. Had some trouble making it with all the rain. I still got rain droplets on my Smooth 4. I'll also drop a link to that if you want to purchase your own Smooth 4 in the description of the video. So look out for both those and check it out. Getting ready to pull the steaks off because I like a nice medium rare steak. Since the in-laws who provided the food are joining us this evening, I'll do one a little bit more well done. Ooh, and I cringe when I say that, but that's fine. They bought the food. I'll cook it however they want. So All ready to pull those steaks off. Check back with you here in a few. I got 2 of the steaks off. Let's show you what they look like. On the thingamaroonie, I got a baking sheet covered up in my tin foil. So just going to show you what I do here to keep them warm and let them rest during their rest period. So as you can see, because of the contour of the downhill slope of my hood of my car, I got them resting on my barbecue gloves. I got a real nice stream of juice, nice juice running out of those. I'm letting them rest. Those are the ones I think that are going to be approximately medium. Probably not medium rare like I like it, but I guess I will deal with it. Anyway, let's go over here. Check out what else we got going on. So this one's going to be done a little more medium well. So whatever. That's cool. And then everything else is coming along pretty good. I put the brats on raw, but didn't boil them. So we're making sure we take our extra time, get that nice brown / burnt whatever crust on the outside. And anyhow, that's what I got going on. So check it. So I removed some of the whatever brats and shit that were done in the steaks. Put them over here on my gonculator car / shelf. And there's a little bit of wind to blow my foil off every now and then. There's a clip you won't see in the video. Maybe I'll post a blooper on YouTube or a blooper on Facebook later. It's strong language, so I think I'll leave that out. But over here, we got the old rest of the stuff cooking.
What?
Say that one more time. You're on video, dude.
I know, sorry.
Haha. It's going live to YouTube later.
Better not.
Oh yeah. So anyway, we got the rest of these brats finishing up because I had to move them around to the hotter side of the grill. The steak is being more well done than the others. Getting ready to pull this stuff off. Gonna flip these 2 guys right there over, and we should be ready to go. Food's all off after all the rain showers, so give you a peek at what it looks like. Turned out amazing, as per the normal. So anyway, let's check in. Find a little bit of a breeze here, so I put the old Reynolds wrap on top of it. So everything turned out to look good. All the brats are different grades of darkness. I grilled to suit all. This is the well done steak. But anyway, the medium steak is still hiding under the first layer of foil. Hot dogs for the girls. Anyhow, it's kind of what it is. I'm going to take it inside and feast. Jared Sigler signing off. Thanks for joining me on another episode of Junk Ass Barbecue. Give a like, subscribe, share, whatever you feel like doing. I'm going to go in and pour myself another drink and mow down on some meat. My sister-in-law, shout out to her, also made some mushrooms and onions and cheesy potatoes. So we know how to eat out here. South Funk, Ohio. Jared Sigler signing off. So see you next time, boys and girls. Be cool. Be kind. Always rewind those VHS tapes. A little dated with that comment. Anyway, peace out.